I'm going to be real and straight with you. People who I trust, you see me? Try to get me out with voodoo, Obeah, whether I want to believe it or not. I'm going in nature, all dirt me have to eat one night time, them for whether I believe it or not.
You know, it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. If for the first time you want to check out the Jahmeil TV, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications so anytime I upload videos like these, you definitely are going to be the first to know. And big up to the people who always tune in to Jahmeil TV, whether it's on Instagram, Facebook or YouTube. Big up on yourself. So people, we are going to talk about a bunch of topics today because for the last 3-4 days I haven't do a video. So I'm just going to talk about some videos and some topics I'm see a circulate. Definitely we are going to talk about how Jahmeil get Obeah and a bag of things. So people, you don't want to miss this. Alright? Make we listen to some tracks, listen to what some of them young artists here deal with, and then we go straight to the topics. Boom.
Go tell them some born for this. But tell myself say, nah blame me.
Run them file, bow them a bad man. People crime them they a jail pan. A Bulby had the first one done. Son of boy can't impress even child.
Lottery, my charge like battery. I got bricks, big horse and fat whip. I got this 6 bars and I'm acting now. The zombie. Bad friend Crystal.
Just stunt, bang bang, come round for your little song sing. Bro said he can't trust these girls.
Yeah, Chaddy, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes! Jahmeil TV. For all the vlogs and recent update, mailing Jahmeil. Bototom, Bush, Yaxter said that.
So people, first I want to start off by saying hope everybody safe and alright for this Easter weekend. Right now, while I'm recording this video, it's Easter Monday. The weekend is about round up. We see a few accidents, we see a few things happen here and there, but I hope everybody will watch a video here right now safe. And like how we are touched upon a little accident, something that we are look talk about, you know, the weekend. People, this was Easter weekend. This was the first big holiday since the lockdown. I'm not telling a lie. The people go out in them numbers. So people, on Saturday there was a gridlock in St. Anne's. Not sure if it's the entire sentence or it's just right at Mama Bay where you know the roundabout to the toll road is at. But people, I'm not telling a lie, the traffic did stay away. The traffic was so bad in St. Anne that's a regular 15 or 10 minute drive took motorists over 5 hours. There was a meeting with the municipal corporation and party promoters, and they come to this conclusion where a lot of people on social media, you know, not really dig the conclusion here. They come to this conclusion that they will suspend all parties held at Pearly Beach. So no more party. I will keep at Pearly Beach. Pearly Beach, a huge party keep there over the weekend, and that was a major cause of the traffic. But the feedback that I'm getting on social media is that probably them should have, you know, before them go suspension or ban parties at Pearly Beach, try to find a solution. Because to be honest, I don't think parties are the real problem causing the traffic congestion. Yes, it play a little part because if a party a keep, you know, say a lot of people are traffic down there. But I think that the entire Jamaican road network system need to be upgraded. And I'm going to give you one example and move on. They are spending millions of dollars in St. Thomas, right? And into them modern day technology, modern roads and everything, they are only putting single lane traffic over there. Single lane to and single lane from. Now, everybody at Jamaica buy car. In the next 2 years, you're going to hear say St. Thomas have the same problem there. So right now, like how them are renovate the road, no, them need to put some 2-3 lane highway and them thing there. I feel like that's the real problem in Ochi. You know what I mean? And then probably pro tip for the party promoters, them probably when you can like get a vacant land, make the car them park this and then use shuttle bus, carry the patrons them to and from to ease the traffic congestion. That's just my point of view. So people, in the last video I did, I explained how Kaseeno sex tape got leaked. Then people, I saw this video circulating where Kaseeno asked a female this.
Yes, a woman and them a try make it look like a woman alone go on their knee. So as a woman, me I ask you if no man never go between the crotches and put his head between them.
Yeah.
I mean, was it me?
No.
Okay, that means I know me started. I don't know me alone I do it because I made it.
Police shut down Idonia party in Ochi. People, check out this. I don't know what was behind it, but I feel like say the peace officer kind of do it one way, and I doubt it say a permit Idonia never have. Because come on, this is a huge party that's been promoted. You know what I mean? So peace officer, sometimes when you need to fix up that something there now. My mother always said there's always a reaction to an action. Now people, there's this tension growing between Jahshii and Silk Boss. I don't want to say the internet are instigated or the vloggers them are instigated. Jahshii said this last week before his After Champs party performance. Listen.
No test. Silk Boss and them they are the show tonight. That means when Bree them see me, them know what time it is.
So Jahshii basically I say, yo, you see anytime Bree see the Dan boy, you know what time it is. People, to me, that is a diss or that is some form of shade throwing, because you know the recent talk them we are go around as a Silk, a girl clown. We not go label the artist as a girl clown, but that's what been said in the street. And we not have to go into that because with a ton of video talk about that already. You know what I mean? Then we see this song released from Jahshii and Mayan.
Can't get no lane. This on a Silk and Bree. We not for video nor voice note.
That is it.
Now, both artists are performing the song on stage. And Jahshii said the part I'm favorite part. So definitely we know said that was deliberate. Listen this and listen keenly and the whole reaction.
See my favorite part. Make them post it, baby, me not care about it. When fuck too good, them a fear about. You not get no lane, but this on a Silk and Bree. And if you don't advise,
so what you say? You feel like say I just give Jahshii them a give trouble, or you feel like there's definitely going to be a tension between both artists? Comment in the comment section and let me know. And now we are going to talk about the topic me know most of you a wait pan, which is the Obeah talk. Jahmeil say him get Obeah. He never tell you who Obeah him still. But him say people in the music business did hold him down. And people, I can't play the entire interview, but he said it on multiple platforms. He did an interview with On Stage, Winford Williams, he mentioned it. And he also did an interview with The Fix, where he also mentioned it. But both interview, him kind of said the same thing. Him now put too much out there and him now subtract. He must say him go through a bag of things and people did Obeah him and him pass out some things when he can't talk on TV. And him continue to say I'm close friend. And the people him know say him no smoke, so them put something in him food. People, me not tell a lie. Me know say the Obeah thing, it is real. But me not too, you know. What me should have said, believe in it. I don't really believe in a witchcraft argument, but me now go say it not there because I end the idea. We know say our ancestors them used to use Obeah and them used to use it for good. I just nowadays society I try demonize this Obeah thing. Probably well, you not gonna agree with me, but put it in the comment section below. So these are some of what Jahmeil had to say. Take a listen.
I'm gonna be real and straight with you. People who I trust. You see me? Try to get me out with voodoo, Obeah, whether I want to believe it or not. We tried the revivalist church, that no work. We got a doctor, gastroenterologist, that no work. We got psychiatrist, that no work. A B pills me I take for months. I tell you it's a normal thing. Here a drop off, Winford. If I post all a picture on Instagram, I feel sick. I go in nature, all dirt me have to eat one night time, them Winford, whether I believe it or not. As somebody close to me eat from and them put something in my food, cause them could poison my spliff, cause Jahmeil is not a smoker. You see what I say? So them put something in my food and I tell you, I pass out something, I don't want to talk about that, but pass out after pass out and, you know, you have to just be careful of who you let in your space.
Yes.
And every smile a smile.
So after that interview, Gage took it to his Instagram and said this. Stop make them artists here tell you say people are Obeah them. Youths, turn to technology and stop listening to them mad p-hole here. So basically Gage just say, Jahmeil a madman.
We got psychiatrist that no work. A B pills me I take for months.
But now Vybz Kartel counter the chat there right now, and Vybz Kartel took it to his Instagram and said this. The whole of the artist boy I work Obeah from A to Z, a gunshot for uno. I'm 16 them me I talk with. S on the mother. The comet is coming. So basically Vybz Kartel agree, say yo probably Jahmeil get Obeah for true. You know what I mean? And Vybz Kartel also agree, say the whole of the artist boy in our industry I work Obeah. Jaja. People, me not go add or subtract to it. Want to tell me in the comment section what you think about this. Alright? It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about these topics we discussed today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and guess what? One way and any other way are the wrong way. Gone.